Today, we're going to talk about something very important for every English learner, and that is the psychology behind learning English. Because many beginners struggle not because the language is hard, but because of mindset habits and mental blocks. And understanding your brain and motivation can help you learn faster and more confidently. And in this episode, we will discuss 7 mindset keys that every beginner can use to improve English learning naturally and easily. And the first key is patience. Patience means giving your brain time to absorb new words, sentences, and grammar. And when you are patient, you do not feel frustrated when you forget words or make mistakes. And mistakes are not bad, they're signals that your brain is learning. And learning means slowly improving step by step. And the second key is consistency. Consistency means doing small daily practice every day, even for 5 to 10 minutes, and this builds strong habits in your brain. And habits means regular actions that become automatic over time. And when you combine patience with consistency, your learning becomes smoother and more natural. And the third key is positive mindset. A positive mindset means believing that you can improve English and telling yourself encouraging words like, I can do this, I am learning step by step or every day, I improve. And this positive thinking reduces fear, stress, and hesitation. And fear means feeling nervous or scared, and stress means pressure in your mind. And positive mindset helps your brain stay focused and ready to learn. And the fourth key is active engagement. Active engagement means paying attention while listening, speaking, reading, or writing, and noticing new words, sentence patterns, and pronunciation. And active engagement trains your brain faster than passive listening or reading. And now let us learn some beginner-friendly words. Mindset means your mental attitude or thinking pattern. Patience means giving time and calm to learn. Consistency means daily practice. Habit means repeated actions. Positive means good, and encouraging. Active means fully involved. Engagement means paying attention and noticing patterns. Now, the fifth key is goal setting. Goal setting means deciding what you want to achieve, like learning 10 new words each day or listening to a short audio. And when you set clear goals, your brain focuses better, and small achievable goals help you stay motivated. And motivated means giving energy to continue. And sixth key is reflection. Reflection means thinking about your learning progress and noticing improvements and mistakes. And when you reflect every week, you understand what works and what you need to improve. And reflection builds awareness, and awareness means understanding your actions and learning patterns. And the seventh key is enjoyment. Enjoyment means finding pleasure in learning English by choosing topics you like, stories, movies, songs, or conversations. And when your brain enjoys learning, it focuses naturally and remembers words and patterns faster. And now let us combine all these 7 mindset keys: patience, consistency, positive mindset, active engagement, goal setting, reflection, and enjoyment. And when you apply them every day, your brain becomes trained to absorb English faster, and you feel confident speaking, listening, reading, and writing. And remember, your brain learns by repetition and small daily practice, not by pressure or hurry. And also, remember vocabulary words like fluency, which means smooth, confident speaking comprehension, which means understanding what you read or hear, pronunciation, which means saying words clearly, confidence, which means believing in yourself, motivation, which means energy to keep going, and focus, which means mental attention, are all connected to your mindset and psychology. And when you practice with this understanding every day, your English improves step by step naturally. And finally, one important tip is to celebrate small wins. For example, remembering a few words using a sentence, correctly understanding a short audio, or finishing a short story. These small wins motivate your brain and make learning enjoyable. And every day your brain, mind, and heart are working together to make you a stronger, confident English learner. And when you follow these 7 mindset keys, Patiently, consistently, actively, and positively, you will notice that learning English becomes easier, faster, and more enjoyable, and your confidence grows naturally because you are training your brain to think, understand, and enjoy English every day, and small daily habits combined with the right mindset make your English learning journey effective, long-lasting, and fun.